gee, would you look at that?
Oh yeah, let me get a shot of these guys. So many.
She hasn't kicked it into quite high gear yet. You know, she's not really laying all that great yet, but I think she's longer than all the rest of them.
Oh wow. Yeah.
She's gonna do a lot better out here than our house where she came from. There's a lot of competition. Sapphire is probably the most prolific hive I've ever had. But that being said, Sapphire really doesn't kick it into high gear until it gets about 100. Not going to heat up quite as much over here as it did downtown on that concrete garage, but I bet you she'll do just fine.
It's all good. Camera stopped the whole time. I'm good. Probably have more than enough footage at this point.
That is some honey now.
Let me see that other side too, please.
Yeah, it's not. The other side's actually different. The other side's a little bit further along because they started to cap some of this honey. This honey is ready.
Oh, is that what they're doing? Is capping it?
Yeah,